Are you ready to take complete control of your nutrition benefits right from your phone? Imagine literally never having to wonder about your WIC balance again. Welcome to today's Explainer. We're going to dive right in and break down exactly how you can check your Ohio WIC balance effortlessly, anytime and anywhere. Stick around, because by the end of this, you'll be an absolute pro at tracking these right from your pocket.
Look, we've all been there. You're standing in the grocery store checkout line, your cart is packed, and suddenly, boom, you feel that familiar wave of anxiety. Do I actually have enough benefits left for this specific item? Is my transaction going to get declined? Not knowing your exact balance before scanning is incredibly stressful. But good news, it really doesn't have to be. We're going to show you how just a few simple taps on your smartphone can completely turn that checkout anxiety into total confidence. Okay, let's dive right into our roadmap for this explainer. We'll start by explaining Ohio WIC benefits. Then we'll cover the essential tools you need to get started, walk through a step-by-step balance check, troubleshoot some common issues, and wrap up with some really smart WIC budget tips. All right, kicking things off with Section 1, Ohio WIC benefits explained, and understanding the stakes of your nutrition card. So as a quick refresher, the Ohio Special Supplemental Nutrition Program, better known as WIC, is an absolutely crucial public health initiative. It's designed to safeguard the nutritional welfare of income-eligible pregnant, postpartum, and breastfeeding women, plus infants and kids up to age 5. We're talking about essential, highly nutritious foods here, things like milk, eggs, whole grains, and infant formula. And all of these benefits are loaded onto a physical EBT card called the WIC Nutrition Card, or WNC for short. So, why is checking your balance on your phone such a big deal? Well, it's because Ohio WIC operates under some super strict guidelines. Your benefits expire on the absolute last day of each month. And no, they definitely do not roll over to the next month. It's kind of like Cinderella's carriage at midnight, right? If you aren't tracking your balance and you leave benefits on the table, they're just gone forever. And since household prescriptions vary by family size, keeping tabs on this strict use it or lose it policy is absolutely vital. Moving right along to Section 2, Essential Tools to Start, where we'll be choosing your mobile options. Now, there's a lot of confusing information floating around out there, so let's set the record straight. For Ohio residents, there are literally only 2 official app options that connect directly to the state system to check your itemized EBT balances. Those are the WIC Shopper app and the My WIC Mosaic app. That's the whole list. Now, you might hear about portals like WIC Connect or the Ohio Benefits Portal for Medicaid and SNAP, but those will not show you your itemized WIC food balance in Ohio. You absolutely want WIC Shopper or My WIC. For the rest of this explainer, we'll be focusing on WIC Shopper since it's the main companion app endorsed by the state. So getting started with WIC Shopper is a super simple 3-step process that's going to save you so much time later on. First up, obviously, download the app from the Apple App Store or Google Play. Second, and hey, this is really important, you have to select the Ohio Department of Health as your home agency, so the app actually knows which state's rules to apply. And finally, you just register by typing in the 16-digit card number right there on the front of your physical WIC EBT card. Do that and boom, your active and future benefit profiles will automatically download straight to your phone. Okay, let's jump right into Section 3, Step-by-Step Balance Check. This is all about in-store action and scanning. First things first, you can only use your benefits at authorized vendors that contract with the Ohio Department of Health. When you open your app inside these stores and tap My Benefits, you'll see exactly what you have left to spend. But honestly, the real magic happens when you use the app to scan product barcodes directly off the grocery store shelves. The app instantly cross-references that item with Ohio's approved product list, which has literally thousands of specific items, and it checks it against your own personal family balance right in real time. Now, what's really interesting about this is how it works when you actually scan a barcode in the aisle. You get the exact answer you need before you even step foot near the checkout lane. You're basically going to get one of 4 messages. If it says aloud, awesome, the product is approved and it's currently in your active balance. If you see no eligible benefits, that means the item actually is WIC approved in Ohio, but your specific household has either run out of that category for the month or it just wasn't prescribed to you. If it says not a WIC item, just go ahead and put it back. It's not approved by the state. And lastly, unable to identify. Now, this doesn't necessarily mean the food is wrong. Usually it just means the internet connection inside the store is acting up. Just take a few steps into an aisle with better Wi-Fi and give it another scan. That brings us to Section 4, Troubleshooting Common Issues. Let's talk about managing tech delays and errors. So look, sometimes the state servers just have a hiccup. It happens, right? In fact, there have been official communications noting periods where the state WIC program experiences technical difficulties communicating with the WIC Shopper app. If your balance just won't load on your phone, seriously, don't panic. The state has officially confirmed that even during these mobile communication delays, your actual physical WIC card will still work perfectly fine at the checkout register. The issue is literally just a communication delay to your mobile app, not a problem with your actual benefits. But you might be wondering, how do I track my balance if the app sync is temporarily down? Well, the WIC Shopper app has this brilliant built-in manual workaround called Capture Receipt. See, every single time you make a WIC purchase, the store receipt prints your remaining balance right at the bottom. You just use the app to snap a quick photo of that receipt. The app saves the image for you, so the next time you go shopping, you can just open that photo up and see exactly what you have left. It's a fantastic way to bridge the gap until the system comes back online. And hey, what if you're totally locked out? Maybe you forgot your card PIN, or you're just someone who prefers speaking to a real human to check your balance. Well, the Ohio Department of Health actually has a dedicated SMS text directory. All you need to do is text the word WIC, W-I-C, followed by your 5-digit zip code to the number right there on your screen, 1-844-601-6881. The system will instantly text you back with the exact address and phone number of the closest active WIC clinic. That way, you can just call them up directly to reset your PIN or check your balance. All right, finally, we're at Section 5, Smart WIC Budget Tips, where we'll cover some best practices for maximizing and managing your benefits. Now listen up, because this is probably the single biggest pitfall for new app users. You've got to check the timestamp. The benefits you're looking at in the WIC Shopper app can sometimes be delayed by up to a full day. So if you went to the store this morning and grabbed some milk, your app might not actually reflect that purchase if you check it later this afternoon. To avoid any last-minute surprises at the register, always double-check the very top of your app screen to see the exact date and time those benefits were last updated. Okay, let's wrap this section up with a few rapid-fire pro tips for your next shopping trip. First off, keep in mind the app cannot scan barcodes on fresh fruits and vegetables, mostly because stores use their own custom packaging. But don't stress, whole and pre-cut produce without sauces or dips are almost always allowed, so just refer to your digital food list. Second, if you scan a food that you know for a fact should be WIC approved, but the app says no, hit the "I couldn't buy this" button in the app. That reports the database error directly to the state. Third, please, whatever you do, never throw away your physical WIC card. It is totally reusable, and you have to take it to your next clinic appointment to get it reloaded. And lastly, always make sure your clinic contact info is completely up to date so you don't miss any important alerts. If you keep these tips in mind, you're going to navigate that store like an absolute pro. Armed with all this knowledge, you are absolutely ready to walk into the grocery store with total confidence. By just downloading the right app, understanding how to actually read your scan results, and knowing how to troubleshoot a few common glitches, you can maximize every single one of your family's nutrition benefits. Now, just as a quick professional disclaimer, please keep in mind that while this guide is accurate as of the day this explainer was created, you should always consult official resources or reach out to Ohio WIC directly for the most current procedures and policies. So I'll leave you with this one final thought. Are you ready to take full control of your next grocery trip? Go download that app, link up your card, and banish that checkout anxiety for good.